So, are we doing business?
Sure, we could do business. Miss Angela Brissett.
You gave Agent B all the details for her assignment?
Yes, I did.
Has she checked in yet?
Not with me, sir.
I think I know what's happened.
Okay, sir. Please keep me posted, all right? And remember that all my devices are on, so you can message me at any time.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Oh, one other thing.
Huh?
Send me Savage's location approximately 3 days ago, between 12 and 3.
I can bring that up now, sir. Just give me 1 minute. His was parked at home on that day, sir.
Which means he used his other vehicle.
Excuse me, sir?
No, not you, Roxy. I was just thinking out loud. Tell me something. What about his burner phone?
Showing up at his home on that day as well, sir.
Clever boy. Thank you, Roxy. I'll be in touch.
Okay, sir. Have a good day.
Take care.
Well, go on, man.
You do know how this thing works, right? You're sent on assignment, and when you return, you report.
Well, boss, man. We still have work on the report.
That's the written report. I expect a verbal report.
Well, between Florida and London, the operation was a success. Over 100 arrests.
Raymond, you're telling me things that I have heard on the news. I would like to hear your report.
Well, I don't know what else you want to hear then, no, boss, cause that is it.
The off-the-record events. We already know about the 120 arrests. But what about 4 of the main suspects found floating face down in a patch of water?
Wait. I got one.
Raymond, leaving bodies willy-nilly floating face down in shallow rivers and ponds is the signature of a serial killer, not a law enforcer.
Yeah, well, I believe, sir, the foot soldier them can get a chance to pay for them crimes, you know? But you see the main perpetrators, as far as I'm concerned, them can go drown and end up with the fish in the bottom of the sea.
You know, what's consistent is that the reports from the international collaborators are all the same. He's an excellent agent, but too impulsive, and he doesn't work well with orders.
Well, at least no consistent.
They're super joke. There are some who want to investigate you. They see you as a thug with a badge.
Thug? Wow, that sounds like something out of one of them Hollywood movies, eh?
Do you know that if the international agencies open an investigation on you, I can't help you?
You don't worry about that. I'll face the music on my own.